Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some FNAF World, and I'm sorry that we haven't made a video in such a long time. BUBBU's right here, and of course I'm fighting a dog fight. I don't know, Batman. And yeah, we're just playing some more FNAF World because I really like this game. My fourth fight though. Oh yeah, mine was the bite. We're not gonna fight BUBBU because he was really hard. And now let's walk up here into the Pinwheel Funhouse. Hey, I love Funhouse. This one, Young. Hello, mate. Fudge, Foxy's almost down. Foxy's down. Oh, almost down. Chica! Toxic Fright. Cupcake. Steal some. Let's go Happy Jam to heal us. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. Yep, I'm dead. Balloons. Pizza Wheel 2. Nope. Dash Jam. Oh, shoot, how did that kill them? Okay. Rainy Day 2. Balloons. Okay, we're so dead. We're so dead. 2 minutes into the video and we already died. That was hard. Okay, game over. Game over. Can you go? Oh yay. Okay. Wait, what? What the? 713. Okay, I'm thinking. So, Bonnie. Okay, guys, I changed up my team a little, and so that's my team. That. And so that's what we're gonna be doing. But first, let's do some fishing. 'Cause why not? Play. Man, I suck at fishing even if I got the pearl thing on a different world. And comment down below, what does the pearl do? Like when you get it and then it's like an extra bite, what does it do? Does it heal your teammates? And of course I got $1. Okay, who's ready to go fight him? 6. Security, Fudge, don't tell me I have to fight. Oh. I don't remember getting Phantom Angle. Oh. Okay, these guys are hard. Boom! So, Toy Freddy leveled up. Oh, come on. Scarlet, why didn't you... Ooh, a challenger. Blast Trap! Mystery box. Escape key. Yeah! I heard Plus Trap's good. Plus in my other world he was good. You have a new party member. I just want to see if we have to... Oh! Brow boy. You're just evil. Just evil, I tell you. Okay, so Plus Trap. Toxic Bite, Bad Pizza, and Sludge. I don't know who this other Bonnie. Yeah, that's who I'm gonna switch him out for. Okay, I switched him out for Withered Bonnie. Oh, well, you already know. So let's fight Brow Boy again. Oh yeah, why did I do mystery box? Okay, boom, we defeated him. Okay, mystery box kinda... Wait, I've been wondering. Okay, I've been wondering if you do the mystery box, does it like... Ooh, gold chest. Just wait. Where can I see? Oh, there. Hold tab. There. Man, I'm forgetting how to play. Baseball 2. Frittles! I got Frittles! Look. Let's fight. Wait, what just happened? Oh wait, did I do mystery box? I keep on thinking that's prize ball. Oh yeah, this team sucks. Yeah, that doesn't work on bosses. Wait, does it? Game over. I keep on thinking I just can't do mystery box. Okay, I'll go. Guys, Nightmare Freddy just showed up. Oh yay, we killed. Yeah, it's taking me a while just to get to the same place. Okay, let's check party. Plus, Withered Mangle's not that good, but Nightmare Freddy's like super good. Freddles and Bite 2 are really good. So it's Brow Boy again. Every time I die, I have to fight this guy. So it's really annoying. Oh man, Brow Boy. He has a very nice unibrow though. Oh yeah, if you don't know the difference between Prize Ball and Prize Ball 2, so Prize Ball just does normal attacks, and you know like, attacks that have like the 2? So, when that happens, Prize Ball 2 does any attacks that are number 2. So like, Bite 2, that kind of stuff. But if it was Prize Ball 1, it'd just be Bite. Walk up here, go through here, here. If you're wondering how I know all this stuff, I really love FNAF World, so I watched it. And I'm fighting this battle with you guys because you guys give me good luck. Frittles! Prize ball 2. Rainy day 2, so he can put his defense down and also attack him. Bash jam. Fudge should have won with the happy jam. Pizzeria 2. Jump scare does like nothing. Oh wait, or do we have the block jump scare? Oh, fudge. Munchies. Toxic bite. And bad pizza. Munchies. Num 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 num. Toxic bite. This okay, I'm gonna die again. So gonna die. Prize ball. I suck at this. I suck at this. Oh, he's level 10. He's level 6. I feel like it's you, Nightmare Bonnie. I feel like it's you. I really wish I had Funtime Foxy. Oh man, this is hard. Oh boy, another time. I'm really getting annoyed that you have to kill this boss every time. Oh, guess I didn't need to do Happy Jam. Yay! Bonnie has 200 health. But then Freddy's now Nightmare Freddy's now level 9. Yay! Oh man. Please no red bears or any white rabbits. Hey, Pizza Wheel 2. Okay, I have to heal a lot. I think that's what I'm missing. Okay. No! At least his defense is down. Fudge, fudge, fudge. No! Please don't die, please don't die, please don't die, please don't die. Please don't die, please don't die. Please don't die. No! Please, Foxy, don't die! Don't die, don't die! Don't die, don't die, don't die! I quit. I quit. Duh! Stupid bear! I'm changing my team. Plus Trap, I don't know about you. Oh my gosh. No, what? I'm just gonna try it again. Okay guys, I ran out of time. I'm not gonna fight him again, and I decided to end the video with Lolbit. So, please consider subscribing to help save the world. And please like the video, and goodbye!